Hi, my name is Ana Paula Salas and this is my Lewis structure project. Lewis structure are diagrams that show the bonding between atoms of a molecule using dots representing the valence electrons. There are three types of bond: polar covalent bond, not polar covalent bond, and ionic bond. The polar covalent bond is when two different non-metallic atoms share atoms unequally, when one part of the bond is more negative than the other. Here is an example. The first thing to complete the Lewis structure that we should do is to identify where is the N and the H. We notice that the H is here and the N is here. The H is in the first row and the N is in the 5th row. So now we know that the N occupies 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we can notice, we have 3H and the H occupies 1, so we must have 3 H's. So 1, 2, and 3. To complete the octet rule, we should count 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. It's complete. To complete the duet rule, we must know that the H only occupies 1 and the N occupies 5. So here they are bonding and neither of both are alone. So here is the duet rule. The not polar covalent bond is formed by the union of two identical atoms, so the electronegativity is equal in both sides. Here, the C is equivalent to 4 valence electrons and the Cl is equivalent to 7 valence electrons. The octet rule is apparent in every symbol bond like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on in the other ones. Here, the duet rule can be seen here in this part, where the C is connected to the Cl and neither of both are alone. And the last bond, the ionic bond, is the result from the union of metal and non-metal. Here is an example. As we have already seen, Cl is equivalent to 7 valence electrons and Na is equivalent to 1. So, the octet rule is here represented like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the duet rule is represented here when they are both sharing and they are not alone. The material that I used was a cardboard paper to make the symbols of the elements, some t-shirts to craft paper, some peace and love, also craft paper, and some pins to hold the paper and the things from manualities and the board. I try to use different things to let the elements identify so you can understand it better. And that's all. Thank you.